So it's good to keep that in mind when asking a chatbot to perform a task. Here are some pairs of tasks, one easier and the other more challenging. You can instruct the chatbot to suggest some ways of saying, "I love you," or you could ask it to write a compelling movie script about two people who fall in love on a big boat. When comparing the two, one is a narrower task, whereas the other is a more complex, multi-step task, which makes it harder to do as well. Let's compare two other kinds of prompts. One is, suggest a cake recipe, and the other, solve this math problem. The first one can have more than one acceptable answer, whereas the other one requires reasoning and likely has only one correct answer, so it's more difficult to get correct. Let's compare these next two. You can ask a chatbot to translate from English to Spanish, or you can ask it to translate from Latvian to Nepali. For the first task, the large language model probably had more access to text data in English and Spanish, and also text that included both English and Spanish together, such as a tourism website. In comparison, the large language model probably had less training data related to Latvian and Nepali compared to English and Spanish. Sometimes, when using translation services, people even prefer to first translate to English as an intermediate step and then translate from English to their desired language, because they have more access to text data in English and so are more likely to perform better when it includes English. So what does this mean for you? Well, it helps to be extra careful to check the model's output when you're asking it to do a more difficult task. It also helps to use more powerful models for more difficult tasks, and as you'll soon see in the next video, there are also benefits to using the less powerful models as well. Coming up next, you'll learn about different groups of large language models that are available to you for free and get a better understanding of when you might want to use one or the other, or maybe even more than one. Let's look into in the next video.